Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPWR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So if you go there to that link, I will explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything like this, but this was an absolutely brutal day. As far as kind of trading jargon would be concerned, this is what we would call a pump and dump. And, maybe pump and dump's a little excessive, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But it's looking like this thing was a total pump and dump. But to be fair, I'll pull back from that statement for now. But without doubt, this was definitely a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap if you're maybe new? So on Tuesday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. After the price opened up on the, officially the price move here. Some poor souls bought right there, and then from that point, it was all bears the remainder of the day. So there's no doubt about it, this was a gap and trap, but really now it's a big question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And, in good faith, you got to be fair, and it just isn't quite fair to call this a pump and dump right now because, like I said, to be fair, the price does still actually have an opportunity to build a higher base and show some signs of progress, but that is also why this area down here is very, very important and a must-hold level at $2.40. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to $2.40 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And that's the epitome of what a pump and dump is. I mean, a price makes a great move up, and then all of a sudden the price goes right back to where it was. But like I said, to be fair, that hasn't happened because the price also has the opportunity to do something where it comes down to that area, however, behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. Then all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd even have some lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, technically speaking, you would still have stair steps being built in the upwards direction. So yes, is the chart looking very, very shaky? Absolutely. But the price does still technically have the opportunity to build a higher base and show some signs of progress. So let's see if the price can stay up above $2.40 or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.